Welcome to the future Argyle High School. In front of us, we see the new Theatre Arts wing. Coming round next to the Theatre Arts wing, we have the new gymnasium. As we come up the new football field, we see the field house. Just across from the field house, we see the new classroom wing. And on the other side of the building, the new administration wing. On the left side of the screen, we can see all of the outdoor activity fields coming together. And as we pan away, we can see the grandness of this project in its entirety.